In the bustling city, cars were moving one after another in a line. Suddenly, the leading car slowed down, as if it had encountered some problem. The second car did the same. They were facing the same problem. Everyone was surprised at being stopped in the middle of the road, and all felt annoyed. They went over to ask about the situation and found out the cause of the incident.
Low battery.
They were electric cars, and they had run out of power.
Riddle Sweet Excavator, solar charging station. Got it.
Dump Truck and Excavator came up with an idea and proposed building a solar-powered charging station for the cars. They, along with their friends, quickly arrived at the site and started working. First, they needed to dig the foundation for the charging station. The foundation was completed, and then the mixer truck mixed the materials together to make fresh concrete and poured it into the foundation. The foundation was quickly filled with fresh concrete. And the charging station gradually rose up before everyone's eyes. One by one, the cars were brought to the charging station by the crane to recharge. At the charging station, the batteries of the electric cars were quickly recharged. The remaining car was also brought in, and everyone was very satisfied with the service.